Dark circles under the eyes can be a frustrating and sometimes embarrassing cosmetic concern for many individuals. While there is no magic food that can completely eliminate dark circles, maintaining a balanced diet rich in specific nutrients can contribute to improved skin health and a reduction in the appearance of dark circles over time. In this video, we will explore 7 top foods that you can incorporate into your diet to help address dark circles under your eyes. 1. Water. It may seem too simple, but adequate hydration is essential for maintaining healthy skin and reducing the prominence of dark circles. When you are well hydrated, your skin is more likely to appear plump and radiant, making dark circles less noticeable. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and more if you engage in physical activity or live in a hot climate. 2. Fruits and vegetables. Incorporating a wide variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet provides a range of essential vitamins and antioxidants that support skin health. Vitamin C, found in fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwi, is particularly important as it helps boost collagen production and improves skin texture. Additionally, vitamin K, which is abundant in leafy greens such as kale and spinach, can help minimize the appearance of dark circles by improving blood circulation. 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats play a crucial role in maintaining skin elasticity and reducing inflammation, both of which can contribute to the formation of dark circles. Incorporating fish into your diet a few times a week can have a positive impact on your skin's overall health. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds are packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant known for its skin protective properties. Vitamin E helps shield your skin from damage caused by free radicals, promoting a youthful and healthy appearance. Adding a handful of these nuts and seeds to your daily snacks can contribute to your skin's well-being. 5. Dairy products. Dairy products like yogurt and milk contain lactic acid, a natural exfoliant that can help improve skin texture and reduce the prominence of dark circles. Additionally, dairy provides essential vitamins and minerals, including calcium and vitamin D, which are beneficial for skin health. Opt for low-fat or non-dairy alternatives if you are lactose intolerant or have dietary restrictions. 6. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and biotin, a B-complex vitamin that is important for healthy skin. The amino acids found in protein help repair damaged skin cells, while biotin supports overall skin health. Including eggs in your diet can provide the nutrients needed to maintain youthful-looking skin. 7. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its antioxidant properties, particularly the catechins it contains. These antioxidants can help reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, both of which can contribute to a reduction in dark circles under the eyes. You can enjoy green tea as a soothing beverage or use cooled tea bags as compresses for your eyes to help alleviate puffiness and dark circles. In addition to incorporating these foods into your diet, there are several other lifestyle practices you can adopt to further reduce the appearance of dark circles. Getting an adequate amount of sleep, practicing a consistent skincare routine, and protecting your skin from the harmful effects of the sun's UV rays are all crucial steps in maintaining healthy, vibrant-looking skin. If your dark circles persist or worsen despite making dietary and lifestyle improvements, it's advisable to consult a dermatologist or healthcare professional for a personalized assessment and treatment options. They can provide targeted solutions such as topical creams, cosmetic procedures, or other interventions to address stubborn dark circles effectively. Remember that achieving and maintaining healthy skin involves a holistic approach, including both internal and external factors.